Welcome back, everyone. In this video we are going to take a look at related and additional content. So related content is added to a pre-batch component. Now the information that we add can be generated at pre-batch or batch time using this attribute called render time. So the main reason you would ever want to have the related content rendered at batch time is if that piece of content is going to contain a batch level attribute, because those attributes would not be available during the pre-batch process. So we hold off on generating that related content until batch time so that those attributes can be added. Related content is used to provide order level information, typically. Now the exception there is kind of relates back to this previous comment we just made about including some batch level detail. But for the most part, related content is typically used to create order slates, or these pieces of content that provide information about the order, the customer information, a small image depicting what that particular order is, various things like that. And it varies greatly from customer to customer for what information is placed on those pieces of content. And then related content can be built using templated layouts, so using our layout files, or they can be built using Jasper reports. Now, additional content is the other side of the coin, and all of that happens at batch time. So additional content is added to batch components within a batch definition, and one of their primary purposes for using additional content at batch versus an additional spread is that this provides a way to create content size reports, or content size batch tickets, or travel tickets, or batch manifests, whatever you want to call those. So that comes in really handy in situations where you have a product that might be imposed 2 up or 4 up. That way you can have the batch ticket or that travel ticket be one of the signatures in that output, instead of having the batch ticket take up the entire sheet, which ultimately is going to get cut up into 2 or 4 pieces. And then additional content also allows you to provide details about the batch. So not just one or more of the orders within the batch, but details that talk about and encompass everything about the batch as a whole. So up next, we are going to add a templated order slate to our pre-batch component, and we're going to add additional content to our batch component so we can see both of these in practice. So I will see you all in the next video.